Let's study second experiment for PEC. So name of experiment is establish full duplex communication link. Program outcome of this topic is basic knowledge or concept of full duplex communication. Then we study the experimental setup for full duplex communication. See the result for full duplex communication. Okay. Now full duplex communication is, or it means, data can be transmitted in both direction on a same channel at the same time as shown in figure. Now this is a figure for full duplex communication. Here this is a terminal A. It can be acts as a transmitter as well as receiver. This is a terminal B. Again it acts as a transmitter as well as receiver. Now these arrows show the simultaneous communication can take place between two terminals, and hence it is called as a full duplex communication mode. So simple landline telephone network is an example for full duplex communication mode. Now let's discuss the experimental setup for full duplex communication. Now in this setup, this is our power supply 5 volt. Here the two switches are given, switch S1 and switch S2. Again two LEDs are connected to each switch. So LED 1 is connected to switch 1, LED 2 is connected to switch 2. Limiting resistors are used to avoid the excessive current, and the resistor value is of 330 ohm resistor. Now here for switch we are using a two power supply. So this is our power supply 1, power supply 2. Again we set this power supply to 5 volt. Now this is our switch 1, this is our switch 2. Now in this setup what we do, this is our red terminal of power supply 1 is connected to first LED. Okay. Second terminal of LED is connected to limiting resistor. Obviously limiting resistor, second terminal of limiting resistor is connected to ground. Now go for a second power supply. This is a positive terminal for power supply 2. Again it is connected to positive terminal or one terminal of LED. Then second terminal of LED is connected to limiting resistor, and second terminal of both LED is connected to ground. Now this black terminal for both the supply is called as a ground, and we connect the black terminal of both supply to ground level. Now we start the practical. Now this is our observation table. In observation table, when the S1 is on, S2 is off. Okay, so we start S1 on, S2 off. Now this power supply is set to 5 volt. So S1 on, S2 off. In that case what happen? LED 1 is on, LED 2 is off. So LED 1 is on, LED 2 is off. Now go for the second state. In second state S1 is off, so off the S1, but S2 is on, S2 on kiya. So in that case what happen? LED 1 off, so my first LED gets off and my second LED gets on. Okay, now in third state S1 S2 both are on, so दोनों switch को on किया मैंने. Now in this case both LED gets on, so S1 LED 1 LED 2 both gets on. Now in four states S1 S2 off, so S1 off, S2 off. So again both LED gets off. So here according to the status of switches, LED gets on and off, and this is called as a full wave communication.